Hey y'all, I'm your credit CEO, and my sole purpose is to teach you about personal and business credit because we weren't taught it in school. I help people like you build and leverage your credit. Today, I'm showing you how to build business credit from scratch, even if you have bad personal credit or no idea where to start. This is the same exact strategy I've used to help entrepreneurs go from zero to getting 10,000, 20,000, even 50,000 in business credit without using personal guarantees. So grab a pen because we're getting into it. Most people think building business credit is hard or it takes years, but that's not true. You just need the right structure and steps. And if you're serious about getting funding and leveraging other people's money or getting out of using your personal credit cards for your business, this is how you do it. The first step is you want to set your business up properly. If you skip this step, nothing else will work. Think of this as your personal little checklist. First, you want to register your LLC or corporation. No sole props. Get your EIN from the IRS. It's free, instant, online. Next, you want to open a business bank account. Then you want to get a business address, set up your business phone number and email, get a domain and a website strictly for your business. Big tip, these details will help you pass the lender credibility check. If your business doesn't look real on paper, you won't get approved no matter your revenue. Step two, you want to set up your business credit profiles. Business credit works differently, it doesn't build automatically. So do this. Get your DUNS number from Dun& Bradstreet. It's completely free. Check your Experian Business and Equifax business credit scores to see if you're listed. And you can do this on nav.com. Make sure your business info is the same everywhere. The banks, the IRS, Google, the business credit bureaus, everything must match. Think of this like turning the lights on for your business credit file. Without this, you're invisible to lenders. Step three is you want to open Net 30 vendor accounts. This is how you actually build credit history. Start with these for an examples. Uline, Granger, Summer Office Supplies, Quill, or Shirtsy. How it works is really simple. All you would need to do is place an order online on credit. Pay your invoice on time. These accounts report to your business credit bureaus. After 3 to 5 trade lines, you'll start getting a paydex score. You're not just buying stuff, you're buying credit history. Do this right, and real banks will start taking you seriously. And now, in the step 4, you want to move into the tier 2 part of building business credit. Once your profile is reporting, now you level up. So for an example, NAV has a business boost plan that reports monthly, Office Depot, Amazon, Lowe's business bank account, fleet cars like Shell or BP. Big tip, don't jump to big limits too fast. Let your profile grow naturally with on-time payments. And in step 5, you want to apply for business credit cards and funding. And this is the fun part. Now that you're legit, the banks will say yes. So the business credit cards that I recommend once you get to this point is like Capital on Tap, Divvy, Ramp, my favorite American Express business credit cards. And so what lenders look for is a clean business credit profile, at least 3 months of revenue, and at least a 650 personal credit score if you plan on personal guarantee. Here are mistakes to avoid. Applying for funding too early, mixing personal and business money, not checking if vendors are actually reporting to the business credit bureaus, ignoring your personal credit if personal guarantee is required, and having mismatched business info across platforms. If you want help setting all of this up the correct way, I created a free business credit checklist to walk you through every step we just covered. The link will be in my description. And if you're ready to get funded fast, I offer private coaching that helps business owners build credit and get a 700 plus credit score guaranteed. Hit the like button if this helped. Drop your questions in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. I post new credit and funding strategies every single week.